Hi, I'm Jim, Retired Oldtimers. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed some of our latest videos that I've posted. It was amazing, that bus jump. I don't think I could ever do that. Take my bike down a ramp and jump over a bus? Nah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed some of our other ones and our recent ones, the tour of old Walter here and getting it ready for winter. But now there's something else we got to get ready for winter, and that is our fence. Our fence is kind of falling apart in a few places, turning rotten, and so we're going to have to just replace a few sections that have got really bad, and most of the posts in this fence are pretty solid, but some of the I call them stringers, from post to post, some of them are in pretty bad shape. Most of the fence boards are fine. We can just paint them up and reuse them. So yeah, come along as we fix our fence. Well, we've already removed some of the stringers and replaced some of the stringers here in the back here by the garage. Building a fence is can be a bit expensive, so we're trying to reuse the fence boards. So, but the bottoms of the fence boards have been getting rotten, so we're having to cut off the bottom portion. The reason the bottom of the fence can be a little rotten is because we're stuck in the ground, and when it rains, guess what happens? So we're going to paint all the boards here before we actually put them on, because it's easier to paint them here than it is to paint them afterwards. Oh, I probably should have changed my shirt, but I'll just make sure I don't splash on myself. So we did buy 2 cans of paint. You know, because we'll probably do paint some more of the fence afterwards, after we get the bad spots redone. I would say I could look at the fence and I could see my face in the fence if it has a bit of a gloss. That worked. Gonna have to change the position of that screw, a little too low. Okay, let's try that again. Time to remove these boards. Remove them so we can change the stringers here. Okay, that's to the post. So that's one length. And the reason we're doing this is to replace these stringers because a lot of them are turning rotten. The post is reasonably solid, so we don't have to do anything with the post, but these stringers. So we're replacing the top one, painting the boards, and so we're doing only some sections. We're not doing the whole fence, we're just doing the ones that are really bad and turning rotten at the ends, as you can see. And we got a baby crying in the background. Oh well, it's all good. So we do have a lot of background noise, but anyway, our plan is to do two sections of, actually 3 total sections of the fence here today. Okay, I'm going to put these in the garage and get them ready for painting. I hear crows. Anyway, there's a lot of background noise. Crows, kids over in the park. We're right beside a park. Yeah, but next trick, I'm going to remove this. We're going to put a new one in. So we'll get back to you a little later. I feel like eating crow. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be like, I don't know, 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay, so just got these boards for the fence lined up. We're just gonna paint the inside a little bit before we put them on, and as far as the outside goes, we can paint that later. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, that pretty well finished up that can of paint. So we're going to go to the next step and start attaching some of these to the railing. There we go. Think that'll help a little bit? Well, time to do some painting. Well, anyway, it's another beautiful day today. Great day. 23 above. That's probably about 75, 76 Fahrenheit. I'll have to double check. But now we're going to go and put the fence boards up. And every so many we'll check the level to see if it's straight up and down. Gotta go grab the level. Okay, I have a little more than 24 inches. So 4 boards will give us a little more than 24 inches. So let's go in here. You know, it should work out actually. A little more than 24 inches from there. A little more than 24 inches from there. Almost perfect. I don't believe it. So let's get 4 more boards to get ready to put up. Now, because I'm spacing these out a little wider than they originally were, I'm going to end up having some boards left over, which is good because there's other places where I'll be able to let's see, get that. I'll turn that around. That was better. Yeah, so because we'll end up with extra boards, there's places where the boards are, you know, not in good shape, and I'll be able to use them extra boards in them locations. Okay, we're done. Finish this section anyway. We got other sections that have to be fixed up yet, but for now, this will do. I got shucks, 5 boards over. 5 boards that I can use in some other locations. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Jim, Retired Oldtimers. Taking it easy, one day at a time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, the like, and make some comments below. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Catch you later. God bless.